Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make Starbucks iced tea at home. First, select your favorite tea, like black or green, and prepare your brewing equipment. Next, we will steep the tea to achieve a rich, flavorful concentrate. Then, we'll rapidly chill the tea to lock in its freshness and prevent bitterness. Finally, you'll learn to assemble your perfect iced tea, adding ice and any desired sweeteners for a refreshing beverage. To begin, you'll need a few simple items. Grab 2 to 3 tea bags of your preferred Starbucks tea, such as black or green. You'll also need about 8 ounces of filtered water, a heat-safe mug or small pitcher, and a spoon for stirring. Don't forget a generous amount of ice, as this is key to making delicious iced tea. Optional additions include simple syrup or lemon slices. Now let's brew the tea. Heat 8 ounces of water until it's hot, but not boiling, around 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your 2 or 3 tea bags into your mug or pitcher, then pour the hot water over them. Let the tea steep for 3 to 5 minutes, depending on your desired strength. Once steeped, remove the tea bags to prevent any bitterness from over-extraction. Let it cool for a few minutes. The final step is to assemble your refreshing iced tea. Fill a 16-ounce glass to the brim with ice cubes. Pour your cooled, concentrated tea directly over the ice. If you enjoy sweetened tea, now is the time to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of simple syrup or to your taste. Give it a good stir to combine everything. For an extra touch, garnish with a fresh lemon slice and enjoy your homemade Starbucks iced tea.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.